Hi guys, welcome back to our channel Gaming Basics. In today's video, I will be teaching you guys how to check the eggs on your Pokemon Go. So, at first, just open your phone, and as you open your phone, just open the Pokemon Go app from wherever it is located. And as you open, it takes a while to load because it depends on the internet speed. So, all you have to do is just wait. And guys, as it loads, you're in this place as I am. So just stare at the space and look at the bottom middle for that Pokeball. And as you see it, just click it. And as you click it, at first select this Pokemon option right here. And as you do that, you can go at the top and select this option eggs. So if you guys have eggs, it will be displayed right here at the space. So guys, that's how you check your eggs on your Pokemon Go. If you find our video helpful, please leave a like and please do not forget to subscribe our channel. Also hit the bell icon to get updates with our latest videos. And drop a comment for reviews and more content like this. I will see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.